Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Mirra Frisco, so it's the Mirra in Frisco, Texas, and we're doing a two-bedroom walkthrough. This is going to be two really quick videos. Just wanted you to see exactly what it looks like in the two-bedroom, and this is number 206. There is a keyless entry here, so let's go ahead and walk in. I think you're going to like it. So really super pretty look and feel here at the Mirra. I love this two bedroom. The two bedroom is just classy. There's so much space over here. There's lots of space for the living room area, but then there's a lot of space over here for the island too. The island has just tons of great space. It's really pretty appliances. That's a four-door Whirlpool fridge. Love seeing that. Gorgeous cabinets. And then look at this backsplash. It's really kind of dimpled and really pretty. There's some really nice light around there. These are Whirlpool appliances and great sink. You've got an open, kind of Italian looking open shelf right there. And then you've got a really nice island. So this island, hey, you don't need a table. You got the island all covered for you for your table. So it's a really pretty kitchen. This is just another viewpoint of it. You do have a nice bar area here too. So just store those drinks and things like that. And you can set that up anytime. And here's the living room area. The living room area is fine. There's a lot of room in this living room, and you can do a sectional. You can do just like what they have here, and it just feels great. It feels very well built. By the way, this is what the floors look like. It's kind of a medium brown. And then let's go outside. Let's check out the balcony. This balcony is really nice. You can see there's a lot of room out here. It's got even a serving kind of rolling cart. It's got a really nice table. Man, it's really pretty. And this one's overlooking the pool. So you could have something like this. Really, really nice. Okay, so this is part one of the two bedroom here at the Mirra. And let's go into part two. The part two, we're going to go in the bedrooms. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. Or if you want to set up a personal tour, be like this, except for it would be personalized to you, to what's available for your move-in date, things like that. Send me a text. Just use the number below.